Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm making Arroz Moro, Antillian style. Some countries they call it rice and bean. It's a fast and easy rice dish paired with canned bean. So let's get straight to the video. Okay guys, the first step to prepare this rice, we need to wash our rice and put it to cook with a little salt. At least this is the way how I learned to cook it. So I'm sharing with you guys. And we're just going to wash this properly and put it to cook. And we'll move on to the other ingredients. Okay, here I have a piece of onion and some garlic cloves, and I'm just going to mince those and put aside with a bay leaf. After which I'm going to drain my red peas and then we can prepare this rice. I'll come back when there's another step to be explained. Okay, now we're going to prep this rice. Here I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil to my pot. I'll allow this to heat up, then I'll add my diced onion and garlic. And I'm going to saute that for a minute or so. Then we add our tomato paste. After the tomato paste, we add seasoning of our choice. And the season that I use will be in the description box and also on the screen. So just continue watching guys. This is self-explanatory. I'm going to combine the tomato paste with my onion mix, and I'm going to allow that to fry out for a minute or so. Then I'll add like a 1/4 cup of water. Then I add my beans, stir and allow that to simmer down a little. I'm adding some onion and garlic puree or juice, that's optional. And then we're going to combine our rice. But first guys, we're going to allow this to simmer down to reduce the amount before we add the rice, and we season, taste and season as we go. Okay. Here I'm combining my rice, and after combining the rice I'm going to add some sweet soya sauce, stir well, and then we can serve. They normally serve this with galinha stoba, that's stewed chicken, or cabrito stoba, that's stewed goat meat. Okay, they even serve it with fish too. This is just my take on it, guys, from what I learned from my Curacao mother. So here I'm adding my sweet soya sauce, and I'm just going to mix that to combine. And at this time I want to thank all my supporters for the continued support. My newcomers, thank you guys so much for coming on board. And to my channel members, really appreciate you guys a lot. And if it's the first time you came across my channel, please tap that subscribe button and join the family. And to make it a full package, please put your bell on so you won't miss another video from me. And here is my finished dish, guys. Rice complete. It looks and tastes delicious, guys. And I'm just going to serve this with some simple juicy chicken breast and a little salad. And dinner was different but very delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.